Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to edit your videos but don't want to spend money, I have got you something for you. Let's check it out. And one of the best video editors, you can say this, for Windows 10 or 11. So here's the trick. First of all, you have to open your Windows and from here search for the store or Microsoft Store. Now click on this. Now on the upper section you can see the search box here. Just click on here and write CapCut. Now you can find here, or maybe you can just search and you will see there is a software which is CapCut. Just open this and install it. I have already installed this and that's why it's showing installed. And after installing, it will automatically install. So now open the Windows and search here CapCut. You can see this app. Just open and start editing. So CapCut is a beginner friendly and with a full of feature apps. You can edit anything with this without paying any money. So if this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.